Hey, do you want to make puppies and dogs out of rocks and pebbles? It's really fun and super easy. So I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. All you need are some rocks, and I'll tell you exactly what shapes to get and how to put them together and what to look for when you go outside. So stay with me and I'll show you how to do this. Dogs are so fun to create. Let's see what we can make for a dog looking up in the air. We're gonna make this cute puppy. That's his backside. We need a head for him. And we usually use oval rocks for heads, but if you saw the cat video, we did oval rocks this way. For dogs, we do it up and down if he's gonna look up in the air. And usually it tapers up for a nose. So if you've got kind of a oval rock, this would be a fun one to use as well. This could work. We're gonna try this one. And then he's looking up in the air at a butterfly, so he needs a nose. So I use a little teeny tiny rock that I find in the gravel for a nose. It's a little pointed, as you can see. Maybe we'll go this way. And it tucks under the rim of that rock, so it looks really great. And that's a dog, but what really makes him look like a dog is ears. And ears are just gonna be like long rocks for long ears. I like those. And they can just go off to the side. And now you have a puppy dog. And then if you wanted to have a little butterfly that he's looking at up in the sky, I already picked these out for you, but again, these would be good little puppy dog ears. Let me just show you. There's some little round ones. That works too. Really sweet. Some dogs have little short ears, but we're gonna give him big long ones because it's fun. And then butterflies, well, you remember when he's a caterpillar first? Well, he always still has his body, so you find a little tiny skinny rock, and then those ears that you had, these oblong ovals, they were great for butterfly wings. And so we'll just stick them. If it has a point to it, that's more like a wing. So he's looking up at the butterfly. We'll put it over here. Is that cute? Okay, wait, he's missing the butterfly. So if the butterfly's gonna be over there, we probably ought to move his head so he's looking at the butterfly. Okay, that is so cute, so easy to do. So let's do it a couple of times together so you can see how to do it. If you have the handout from the ebook, the Quick Start ebook has the puppies in it. So let's try it. We can also, I also want to mention that whenever you have a base for something to sit on, it's just a little bit cuter. So you could get a long rock. I've got a couple here. Or you could use a stick or a big boulder, be anything you want, and then just stick it under his little hiney. And then that gives it kind of a foundation. Usually something a little bit bigger and longer is gonna look better. So how's that? Can't really see it on that. Let's push it up so you can see better. Oh, he's gonna touch the butterfly. Oh no! Run, butterfly, run. Or fly, I guess they fly, huh? Fly, butterfly. Okay, there. Cute, huh? So maybe a stick. I only have one with me. It's the same one from the kitty cats, but you know, you can sit them on a stick if you wanted to. And that's cute. Okay, so puppy dogs, super easy. This is just a black cloth that makes the rocks stand out, but you could use white paper or anything, but make sure you protect your surface. This is a desk, and so I always put a blanket or a towel on top when I play with my rocks. Okay, can we push this guy aside? He looks great. There's this cute little nose. Now I want to point out, this is just gravel. You can find gravel all over the place. And if you sit down in some gravel, look for certain shapes. You want to look for like triangles, because that could be a really fun ear for a puppy dog. Let's put him over here. I found another that's kind of a triangle. There's a triangle. So I always dig out triangles if I can find them. I always look for little tiny circles because those make little hands and feet sometimes. That's almost a little triangle. If you remember from the cat, making a cat, we need little tiny triangles for cat ears. But for dog ears, we need something more kind of oblong like that. Oh, more triangles. Ooh, here's what I call a stick rock. When you find a long skinny rock, these are really valuable because they make really good arms and legs. So I always collect my stick rocks and I put them together. We're still looking for dog ears though here. There, that's kind of oblong. Now these little ones are oblong and they're wonderful. So when you're sitting in a rock pile, especially when you have a little teeny tiny rocks like this, pull out the ones that you think, like circles, oblong or ovals, and triangles are just so valuable. Okay, I just wanted you to see that. So we'll put these back away. And then again, I just want to emphasize that old containers that you're throwing away are just really wonderful to keep your rocks organized. Okay, so ooh, look at this one. This would be a good nose because it would fit flat against, right up against his nose when he's looking up at the butterflies. So need little teeny rocks. Way fun to go collect rocks. Okay, I am going to make 2 puppy dogs looking up at the butterfly. And so we'll keep our butterfly for them to look at. We'll push our other rocks out. And we need a body. So we could use this as a body. See how it's not quite round, it's oval. Oval rocks are the easiest ones to work with. So whenever you see kind of a round oval rock, I meant it's not quite a circle. Round can be oval. When you see an oval rock, keep it if you can. I've got kind of a, here's one. I like this is an oval rock, but it's got interesting colors and lines and scratches. It's got a lot of character to this rock. So I love rocks that are all messy like that. Makes them so much more interesting. So let's make a puppy dog looking up with this rock. So he needs a head. And remember, if we used a round head, it looks more like a person. So a puppy dog really wants a pointed one. We could turn this rock around and start making it, but it's just too small for that big rock. So we're not going to use that. How about this for his head? Whoa, that's a big one. I think that's too big, but it's nice and oval. Let's see, how about, I do like this one. How about this one? Okay, that looks like a pretty good size. And notice if we went long like this for the oval, then we'd be making a kitty cat. But we want to go pointed and look up. Dog's faces are long, and so we'll make him long. And then we need a little nose for him. We found that just a minute ago. That would work, but that's a little big. And since we have lots of gravel and lots of choices, let's try this for a nose. That's a little better. And once we get some ears on him, he'll look a lot better. So remember these that we picked out of the gravel? Are there any in here that you like? Let's just try these guys. Let's stick them out. Oh, that looks funny. That doesn't work. Because they're not round, they're more triangles, it's not quite as cute. So I found these in the gravel. Put those up there. These are longer and rounder. And those look really cute. Don't you think so? I love that. Okay, so there, that's good. And now he needs a tail. Oh, we never put a tail on this one. Silly us. We should have put a tail on him. It would have made him look a lot better. How about, this could have been the tail. Right here. And then he's wagging his tail. Makes him look more like a dog. Okay, should we keep it on there? That's too fat. We'll keep him on there. Okay, this guy needs a tail. So my long skinny little rocks are off to the side. Let's stick him on. You could go like that. You keep rocking, turn the rocks over again and again, and you have a brand new idea. That's cute. Which one do you like best? kind of like that. Right there. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, so he's looking up at the butterfly. Let's move him over a little bit. Mink. And his little nose looking up at that butterfly. And that butterfly's wings, remember the little point of the triangle? If you put the point against the body, it looks more like a butterfly. There, that looks better. Sometimes just turning something a tiny bit makes a big difference. Now let's do a second puppy dog looking up. This was our example. Let's pull him away so we have more room. And let's look for another body. This would be a very cute body. And then we need a head. And I'm gonna try this guy. And a nose. That's pretty too big, don't you think? Let's try this guy. Oh, that's really good. And again, just right out of that gravel pile that I was sitting in yesterday. There, now what does he need? How about ears? I picked some out. We can use some of these. Try these again. That's a little better. Oh, that's cute. You know, really one of these, the butterfly wings would be great for his ears, but we want them for a butterfly. So how about these long ears? I like longer ones, but you could have any one you want. Here's a cute ear. Really cute. Let's use these long ones. So long skinny rocks, super skinny rocks are really good, but also rocks that are a little thicker are really great too, because they make good ears and feet for people. Yeah. Okay, he's super cute. He needs a tail and he needs to look at the butterfly. So let's tip his head over there. Good. There. Now they're both looking, wishing they could play with him. And then we need a tail for him. I already picked this out earlier. You know, dogs, their tails sometimes are more pointy at the end. Cats, sometimes it's real poofy, but dogs will go for the point on the end. If I was doing a cat, I would turn it around and let the poof be on top, but it's a dog, so go this way. That's cute. And now we could try different bodies to see if we like a different body better. Do you like that better? That's really good. I like that. Ooh, this is an interesting rock. Let's try that. Oh, that's cute. They all work. You know, that's the fun part about it. Look at this neat rock. I love it when a rock has dents and bends in it. Super neat. Let's see. Oh, look how cute that is. Just a little puppy. And that kind of looks like his leg. So it's really fun when one rock has something that looks like a body part. Well, do you see how to do dogs now? It's so easy. We can make a little dog out of him and add a little head to him, looking up, and a little tail. Just so easy. Okay? So you try it, and then once you make your little piece, there's lots of things you can do with it and make gifts and cards for people. And I will do a video on that for you to show you what to do with these after you make them. Or you can just scramble them all and put them in your rock box, which I hope you all have. Just a little cardboard box, something from the grocery store, a free box that you can keep your rocks in. And I hope you're organizing them by finding little containers and lids to put your rocks in. Makes it a lot easier to play with them. Okay, well, thank you. This was really fun to do this with you. I'd love to see your rock art. So if you post it online, make sure you hashtag it with Rocks Tell Stories or at Patti Rokus. That will let me see them. Okay, have a fun day. Bye-bye.